And this is a pretty interesting idea for the Vanstar Active, starting with 62,999. The final price is 70,000. Well, this much more storage, additional bikes. If you want to put just bikes, you put them like that and slide this part down, or actually remove the complete bench and get just e-bikes or bikes inside. Well, this is a pretty great, clever alternative.